Bitcoin, we are just 30 days away for making history. Bitcoin's about to explode. You wanna know everything about that? Smash the like button. It's time for your daily show, Crypto News, fun on the right crypto to the max. And today we have this thought in mind. It's just 30 days maybe for Bitcoin to explode like a volcano. Maybe so, because it's just 30 days for the SEC and Gary Gansler to decide if they finally approve the ETF on the spot for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's also 150% in a new all-time high for 2023. Remember, we told you past videos, you have to watch them all and smash the like button. And the difference between the last time we were so good is that Bitcoin is not moving. So even though we are going crazy up like 150, 180, something like that, well, some people are taking profits. That's true. We are living a lot of volatility, but most of the Bitcoin is not moving whatsoever. So that means that maybe this is going to be the huge going up for Bitcoin, the huge rally. And again, you should expect some volatility. Of course, we went all the way up to 44,780 and then down almost to the $40,000. But now we are back again in the $42,000 line. So this is it. Are we going to go higher? Well, remember that we still have the CME gap. And today Willie Wu saying the same thing that I say, and with some interesting information. Like, for example, that in the daily chart, I usually consider the 4-hour chart, but in the daily, 28 out of 30 gaps have been filled. That's 93%. So we might need to go lower in order to close them. Remember, 39,000. And for me, in the 4-hour charts, we have some others that I told you about in past videos. Also consider for that volatility that maybe tomorrow we have a good decision for Bitcoin in the Fed in that raise rates or not. We'll tell you everything here in Crypto News, fun on the right, of course. And we'll see, because if we have good news there, we might even have a 9th green candle in a row. And maybe we still have the Gunflin candle. What is that? Well, a candle that eats another candle, changing the trend. So happily right now, it seems we are not going to do that. But yesterday, it seemed a lot. So again, volatility right now, price going up. And remember, if we have those 9 weeks, we'll have to compare the situation with these past ones. I told you everything about that in this video that you can watch on Fun on the Right. Fatal mistake or the chance of your life. And there also we compare the situation right now where the situation we had in 2015. So we might have a 41% retracement. Remember about that, but also today for the good news, we might have a 65% up and go all the way up to $56,000 for year's end. How is so? Well, we have this expert that told us a long time ago that in Wall Street, they say that if we have a strong trend, that trend will keep on going unless a strong force come and says otherwise. Well, comparing data from Bitcoin in the whole story of Bitcoin data, we can see that all the times that we had more than 100% rise in the first 10 months of the year, we have a 65% in the last time of the year. So if that's so, we might go up that average 65% and maybe go all the way up to $56,000. We'll see that here in Crypto News Fun on the Right. Remember to smash the like button. Remember, we are considering that closure. We are considering the last quarter of the year. And today, in my crazy charts, remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. I have a lot of fun doing these charts with TradingView. Link in the description below. Well, I went to this site and I just found all the times we had like 3 months in the green for the end of the year. the last quarter in the green. And now for your pleasure, you have all them here. These are the Decembers of 2015, 16, 17, and 20. Those are the ones represented here. And we are going to have a look on what might happen with Bitcoin price if we are following those paths. The idea here is that, well, right now we were looking like 2015. That's my favorite comparison. But you can see that sometimes, like in 2017 and 15, we went up, mostly up, till around the 19th, 17th, 19th, and then we go down for the end of the year. But some of their times, like in 2020 or in 2016, we were mostly flat or maybe going down, and approximately around 17, 19, we went up. So what do you think? We are going to go higher right now and then down, or we might have the last days of the year in the crazy? I don't know why, but I have the feeling that we are going to have a very good last 2 weeks of the year. We'll see about that, and we will tell you everything on our videos. I told you everything about my price prediction for the month of Bitcoin in that one. Now or never, Ethereum and Bitcoin going up. And today I also give you this crazy idea, another one for free. As always, I just ask for your subscribe and your like, maybe the bell for notifications so you are up to date. Well, we have here the moving average of 200. Remember, this is very important in the weekly for Bitcoin. This is the difference between a bear market and a bull market. And now I'm going to use the ghost pattern in order to just see what will happen if we are following this path once we broke the line, or this one once we bounce from the line, okay? So if we go to the present time, you can see that we are going to go higher no matter what. Even though we have some volatility, yesterday everything was in the red, today everything is in the green. In the long run, I believe we're going to go up. And remember, we told you maybe we were going down from the middle range that we were having. And yes, that's true. And we might even have a 21% drop as we had in the past times. That would bring us to $35,000 line, the line that we are watching right now, previous supports and resistances. And now I draw this line that also coincides, maybe a little bit flat, and then we go there to 34,000, even lower. But any case, here we can see that with the crypto market as a whole, we have no resistance above us. So this guy, Crypto Proof, telling us that the next move for Bitcoin in the crypto market as a whole is going to be crazy up. We'll see. Also, Crypto Robert here saying that if we are going to do something similar to the past, you can see how crazy the parabolic mode can be in the next 6-9 months. So maybe it's a good idea buying Bitcoin today. This guy is saying, as myself, I don't have enough Bitcoin. That's always in my mind. As it's always in my mind, round up our friends, our partners, thanks to them and some others. Everything is free for you always in Fun on the Right. So consider using the link in the description below and make a deposit and start earning ourselves. And we have good news today. You can know everything about this in this dedicated video I created. But today the good news is that they are celebrating the first anniversary, and they are going to raise that 5.5 to 6% APY if you use the hybrid mode. So I went to my app, I uploaded in the marketplace, and I have this piece of information that I have 3 free months of pro version. I warned you about this, but it's okay. If you didn't do as I said, you will have 1 month for free anyway. Also, they tell you how to win some tokens, RND, how that subscription you have, you don't have to pay for it, or somehow you pay for it as you stake some money, but then after some months you will have that money back if you want, the ones that I have for that subscription as myself, and why that pro is really interesting for us because we earn more money. Also, they have the lottery, and you know that I almost always win it. So I scratch it again, and I have one more euro. So that's 21 euros I won with the lottery that you can't lose. Because if you don't win it, you just play again next Friday. And also for my earn, they tell you how you're going to make that money. And again, if you activate, as I'm a pro, I can activate the hybrid mode where I'm going to have 4% in euro and 1.5 in R&D, and that will bring me to the 6% APY. Awesome stuff coming from Rand app. So go to your account. You can see there the hybrid, and you have to activate it if you want. As myself, just consider that you won't have the possibility of changing that decision for a month. So I activated it. I am pro, and I am earning 6% for limited amount of time. And also remember that if you go to the last button, you can make some R&D with different tasks, especially inviting your friends. So use my link so you help me and then help yourself and some other friends. Thank you very much. And thank you to Rand App. And going back to Bitcoin chart, remember, be careful with the speculation, with trading. Now, everybody just opened shorts, believing that Bitcoin was going to go down, and it went up. So consider that this is like a slot machine, and they are trying to get your Bitcoin, get your money. So be careful with that. But in any case, be optimistic here. We see with stock money lizards the classic bear market rally behavior. And when we have dips, we buy those dips. Like Altcoin Daily here, just reminding us all the time in the last bull runs that we had more than a 15% drop. Those are the dips that you can take advantage of. And again, stock money lizards, just with a reminder that this is usually the 4-year cycle for Bitcoin, and we are here in the green square, and maybe we're going to be a little bit flat, but the parabolic mode is above us. Greedy steals the market, even though we have some concerns, fears, like Elizabeth Warren is working in its bill to ban the cryptocurrency war. Yes, I'm so happy because I'm going to ban everything. That's what I want to do in my life. I want to be remembered as this woman that wanted to ban the Bitcoin but couldn't. Because it's impossible what you're trying to do, Warren. We don't like you whatsoever. That's for you. And also, we don't like the SEC and Gary Gansler. But they just uploaded this in their website. And some people in the community believe that it means that they are just getting ready for that ETF spot approval. So everybody has the information about crypto, etc., etc. So they see here a sign for approval and adoption. As we see that on the volcano bonds in El Salvador, those are going to be working on first quarter 2024. After some delays, we have the approval already. We are so happy about that. And you can see how more and more regulators are just coming into the crypto world, saying that it's okay. For Binance, for example, now they have access to our data, etc., but they can work in United States. The bubbles are in the green today. Volatility is crazy. And here, Jelly telling us that if we have the same history for Bitcoin and altcoins as we did in the past, we are going to have the 2024 as the year for the altcoins. So be ready for taking profits. Maybe with AVAX, it's up 64% in the past 7 days. And why is that? Well, according to Lark Davis, this is because of gaming in Web3. Remember, we told you we are like 65% down in gaming cryptocurrencies. So a lot of room for it to go higher. Ethereum just bounced, as we said yesterday, in the 2,140 line with the moving average of 25. We'll see if we hold the millenary line. We are confident. Cardano had its worst, no, its best candle, the weekly candle for the year for 2021. So come with us to Cardano on the right and validate some blocks with us. And if you want to learn more about the crypto, well, you have to go to dexters.io because there they are going to tell you the hot pairs out there. And if 2024 is going to be the year for the altcoin season, dexters.io is going to be a tool you'll use more than TradingView, more than CoinGecko, etc., etc. Here I watch Pepe behavior, and you can see that I'm still on the green, and I draw this line. Remember that in dexters.io you can use some TradingView tools, and those are for free. So maybe Pep is going to bounce back here, hopefully so. Some more bad news. Well, Huobi exchange, now called HTX, just having a lot of people having their money out of the exchange, like myself, for example, because after the hack, we are losing confidence in the exchange. I trust more the cold wallets. You have in our website, findontheright.com, a tutorial, or in our video in YouTube for the Trezor Safe 3. I recommend it for you. And remember that if you buy it before 15, so it's just 3 more days, you have free shipping and you'll have it on time for Christmas time, according to the company. Link in the description below. And homework for today. We just got to know that German theoretical physicist Sabine Hossenfelder, known for her 1 million YouTube subscribers, has released a video exploring the potential for Bitcoin mining to bolster the development of renewable energy sources. So I'm gonna watch it. What about you? Maybe you are sad because of the market conditions, because you lost some money trading. Well, just cheer up. Good times will come. Maybe you are even mad because of all of this. Leave me alone. I don't want to smile. I'm sad or mad. Well, consider having some love out there. Consider having a massage like this goes. Like, okay, it's my massage time, so give it to me. Just try to find love out there, but beware of people that will fight you and scare you like this guy. Boo! Why are you doing that? You can see how this rider is a stoic cat with no just concerns whatsoever. And remember that you can always eat some popcorn and drink a Coke watching the next crypto news, like this guy is drinking fish flower water. So funny. Now it's time for you to keep on learning with one of these videos if you haven't watched them yet. Here in Crypto News, fun on the right, health, money, love, money in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!